Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have started the chapter number 2, that is fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. I have explained you thoroughly. I hope you all have revised it. So today we are going to start the exercise of that chapter. Chapter 2, exercise 2.1. First question is fill in the blanks. First is fraction is a dash of a whole thing. I told you what fraction is a part of a whole thing. Suppose circle is given, I have explained you by an example. So fraction is a part of a whole thing, and fraction has two parts, that is numerator and denominator. Suppose it is given like this, so A is a numerator and B is the denominator. Now next is write 4 equivalent fractions for 3 upon 4. How I told you to write 3 upon 4? 4 equivalent fraction means you will multiply 4 times the given number. First of all by 2, then 3, then 4 and then 5, because we have to find 4. So first multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. This is the first equivalent. Now second, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. This is the second. Now third, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Because when you will simplify it or change it into a simplest form, correct? Then it will give you 3 upon 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. See, 3 upon 4. Here also 2 6s are 12 and 2 8s are 16 and 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 3 upon 4. I hope it is clear. Now the fourth one will be 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So these are the 4 equivalent fractions equal to 3 upon 4. Now 2 upon 3. So for 2 upon 3, same way, first multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now coming to the next is 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. This is the first one. Now 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. This is the second one. Now 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 5 4s are 20. Now 4 upon 5 multiplied by 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. This is the fourth one. So these are the fourth equivalent fractions equal to this. Suppose if they have asked for 5, then multiply till 6 starting from 2. Although you can multiply it by any number, but generally what we consider, we start from 2 and then we do the multiplication so on based upon the numbers whatever they have asked in the question. Coming forward to the next is convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. What are improper fractions? Remember, in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Correct? You can see numerator is greater than the denominator. Denominator is this, numerator is this. Now how to convert? You will divide by 6. 13 divided by 6. Correct? So 6 2s are 12. Subtract it, 1 will be the remainder. Now how to write? This one number will come in between, this one for numerator and this one for denominator. So the answer will be 2 as a whole, 1 upon 6. When you convert it into improper fraction, how? 6 2s are 12 and 12 plus 1 will be 13, 13 upon 6. So our answer is correct. Now 27 upon 8. So 8 divided by 27. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 3. Now how to write? 3 as a whole, 3 upon 8. What I told you, this number in between, this on the numerator and this for the denominator. 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 27 upon 8. So our answer is correct. Next one, 65 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63. Correct? So when you subtract, 2 will be the remainder. So how to write? 7 as a whole, 2 upon 9. See this number in between, this numerator and this number in denominator. Let's check it. 9 7s are 63 and 63 plus 2 will be 65. So our answer is correct. I hope it is clear to all. So my suggestion is, what you will do today, Today you will do the assignment questions. These are the assignment questions. I'll send you the pic for this. Plus whatever the questions I have explained you, these all also you will do it in the notebook. So please be regular. Any day I can ask any notebook for the correction. Correct? Be regular, be punctual, do your work on time. Thank you all.